Hey guys, it's Wolf here. So this is going to be how to make money in crypto flash crash. Okay, so currently we are in the bear market. Okay, so right now, there was the massive flash crash because Newton's third law is for every action there's opposite and equal reaction. Okay, so it's same in everything, and so you can see here we went down to like from 60k to like 65k to 20k. Okay, Bitcoin for example, and tons of altcoins got destroyed. It's not even by the way, there's no such thing as altcoin. Altcoin is back from like 2015 2014 when there was literally no other tokens than Bitcoin, and other tokens were just like fork of a Bitcoin. Okay, I hope you understand that, because a lot of people talk about altcoins, but there's no such thing as altcoins. It means alternative coins, and it was used because there was only Bitcoin back then. But right now it's not. There's no. But I'm not going to ramble about that much. But just know that if you're OG, you would never talk about altcoins, because there's no such thing. And ultimately, cryptocurrencies are just software. Okay, so how to make money with crypto flash crashes is that when that happens, you want best. What I have been doing is to strategy that I am going to use to become multimillionaire in the next bull run is dollar cost averaging in the bear market. We never know where the bottom is, and like it's just same thing as with the bull market. No one knows where the top is. And those people who claim who know where the top is, they're just no, they're just guessing. They have no idea. No one knows. Okay, we only can see after hindsight's like what happens. Okay, what was the top? And so this was the top of the bull market. Okay, so with that being said, we had a flash crash here. So the best opportunity, in my opinion, is just to buy low in the bear market. Like I'm just dollar cost averaging high quality assets, and in the next bull run, I'm selling them for 10 to up to 1000x gains. Okay, and if you want to see, like, by the way, my portfolio and what I'm buying and how I'm managing through this bear market, and see my bear market millionaire strategy, you can check out the first link in the description and join right now. We have 8 spots left right now here, like you can see. So see inside. Yeah, it's crazy. So last year I turned $500 in over $300,000. So if you're starting with just a little bit of money, you can make insane, incredible amounts of cash. Okay, and it's easy. You just buy in the bear market. You create a list of high quality tokens, like build a list of high quality tokens. I show you what I'm buying if you want to know that, and then just dollar cost averaging in for the next 12 months, little by little, get in the markets, and then sell in the next bull run and become a millionaire. I mean, it's very no-brainer strategy, but it's very hard to do for people, because people are like, you have to buy and just hold it. There's no excitement here. It's very, very boring. Okay, so that's the best way to make money with free crypto flash crashes. Because think about when now, for example, right now, if we flash down here and go back to like $10,000 Bitcoin, I'm just buying it, and then I'm waiting for the price to go back up again in the bull run, and then I make money. So that's how you make money with cryptocurrencies. You buy low and then you sell high. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. This was a quick video. I hope it was helpful to you. Join the Golden Portfolio newsletter for it's just absolutely crazy value. Okay, if you want to become rich in the next bull run, I highly recommend you join there. I'm not financial advisor. Thank you so much for watching, and peace out.